Hello, let's open the laptop and see what can be upgraded. First, it is necessary to unscrew 10 screws. You can find additional details of the device in the video description. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. We have 2 slots with DDR4 memory. To disconnect the battery, pull the connector down. The device can be upgraded with 2 M.2 SSD drive. Charger type. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.